Hello, today we are going to see how we can create a last dataset in ArcGIS Pro by following very simple steps. On the Analysis tab, click to expand it, then click on Tools and search Create Last. Click Enter, select Create Last Dataset. For input files, we're going to click on the folder browser, then we select our 3 files that we want to add or rather work with. So I'm going to select 3 files, and by simply clicking on Control button and select them one by one, I'm working with 137, 138, and 139. After I've selected all the files that I'm interested in working with, I click the OK button, and next I'm going to select my surface constraint. My input feature is going to be the state college streams. The height is shape Z, type is headline, and the coordinate system I'm going to select same as one of the last files that I have loaded within the map, and I will leave the projection as no for the last files, and particularly for this, then I'll have to check the computer statistics if it's not selected, but for our case, it's already selected. I'll leave it as is, then I'll click run. But before I run, then I have to give my output a name. So I'll remove everything that is before the extension, and I'm calling my file SC _ USGS last. So once I've given it a name, then all the settings are okay. Then I'll go ahead and run the tool. So you'll see after I run the tool, then the dataset that I've just created is added onto my map. Let me pull this down here. So I can actually zoom in to the entire extent of my new dataset to be able to view the LiDAR data that I have just been able to add, or rather the point clouds that form my LiDAR data. So the next bit, we'll be seeing how to add files to our last dataset that we have just created. Remember to save your changes for this project.